So hi, hello, good evening. Welcome back to live quiz at 7:30 p.m. on Santosha Sir YouTube channel. Good evening once again. So today's quiz is Know Your Math, and this mathematics quiz is the fourth part. And today, actually, I thought of giving 40 bits, but I ended up giving 50. So I hope you will like it. And I have given 45 seconds to solve each and every particular question in this mathematics quiz, and that is definitely more than sufficient. So I hope you people will maintain a very good and healthy competition out there. Let's look. So we already have 51 participants, 52, and 7:35 sharp we shall start. And for the people who have come for the first time, the quiz link is given in the description box and as well as pasted in the live chat, and I'm pasting it right now again. So you just have to click on that quiz link and type your name and enter. Okay. And thank you all for the people who have posted their feedback in the comment section. And I really appreciate that. That would be quite interesting and encouraging for me. And I request the remaining people also to take a little bit of time, 2 or 3 minutes, and type your personal feedback in the comment section. 75 participants that I could see now. And at the end of the quiz, if you would like to, mention something, or if you would like to ask me something, you can always text me on my WhatsApp number 8897 384856. It's 85 members I could see. Okay, 7:35 and 87 participants we have. Good to go. So wish you all good luck. Okay, let's begin. So first question coming up on your screens now. So you need to simplify 5 into 6 plus 4 equals to what? And I'm sure that few people will complete this simplification and most of the questions within 20 seconds. But because of the request of many people who actually wanted a little bit more time, and in order to not to discourage those people, I have increased the time limit to 45 seconds. Okay, there ends the time. 79 members I could see possibly answering the question. So we have Jishnu on the top, followed by Partha. I couldn't read the remaining names on the leaderboard scores. Right, 74 members made the choice correct. Moving on further. Question number 2 coming up on your screens now. So simplify 5.50 minus 1.30 plus 0.80 equals to what? Simplification 5.50 minus 1.30 plus 0.80 equals to what? And I'm sure you people are ready with a pen and paper handy to do simple math on the paper, rough work, before you choose the right answer. There ends the time. 77 members made their choice within the time frame out of 92 participants. And second, third, fifth, sixth, seventh positions replaced. 52 members made their choice correctly. Let's move on quickly to the third question coming up on your screens now. The total value of a man's property is 15,000. He gave 1/5 of his property to his wife. How much money did he pay to his wife? It's all the number game. So if you could see the numbers with your eyes, you don't even have to read the entire question, and you can start calculating the minute you see the numbers. Now, time is up, and it's good. 84 members answered to this question now out of 98 participants, and I see second, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh positions replaced. 58 members made their choice correctly. Let's move on quickly to the fourth question coming up on your screens now. So just simplify 23 plus 74 plus 33. There ends the time, and 93 members made their choice now. That's very interesting. So giving 45 seconds is sufficient for most of the people. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh positions replaced. 82 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. Now simplify 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 4 equals to what? Okay, time is up. 90 members made their choice, and let's look into the leaderboard scores. Second, fifth, sixth, seventh positions replaced. 39 members made their choice correctly. Very good. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6 up on your screens now. Find the value of 5 by 6 into 2.4. Time is up. 94 members answered. Second and third positions replaced. 60 members made their choice correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Question number 7 on your screens. Just simplify the given equation. Time is up. 95 members made their choice now. Looking into the leaderboard scores, and I see fifth position is replaced. 76 members made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next question. Question number 8 on your screens now. A man sold a watch at a profit of 5%. If the cost price of the watch was 2,000, what was its selling price? There ends the time. 91 members answered it now. Second, third positions replaced. And 38 members answered this question correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 9 on your screens now. HCF of 25 and 50. Time is up. 97 members made their choice. Fourth, fifth, sixth positions replaced. 33 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10 up on your screens now. Add the following: 5 meters 70 centimeters plus 3 meters 20 centimeters plus 4 meters 30 centimeters. Time is up. 97 again answered it out of 115 participants. 4th, 7th positions replaced. Very good. 60 members answered it right. Question number 11 upon your screens now. What least number should be added to 79 to make a perfect square? Time is up. 98 members I could see answering to this question out of 116 participants. No change in the top 7 positions. 62 members made it right. Moving on further, question number 12 on your screens now. A man bought 5 dozen bananas. If half of the bananas became bad, find the number of good bananas. Time is up. 98 again actively participated and answered to this question. No change in top 7 positions. 83 members answered this right. Very good. So 45 seconds is really working for so many guys there. Very good. So here comes the 13th question. Find the simple interest on 2,000 rupees at 5% per annum for 2 years. There ends the time. 96 members answering it now. 5th, 6th, 7 positions replaced. 55 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 14 on your screens now. Fill in the blank space in the following series. It's half 1 by 2, comma 1, blank 2, comma 5 by 2. Time is up. 96 members made their choice within the time frame. And the leaderboard score says 3rd and 5th positions picked up with the new people. 77 members did it right. 15th question coming up on your screens now. So evaluate 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.44. Time is up. 96 members answered it again within the time frame out of 118 participants. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh positions replaced. 71 members made their choice correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 16 on your screens now. Find the value of 3 by 5 multiplies 15 minus 2 by 5 multiplies 10 minus 25 divided by 5. Time is up. 89 members answered it. No change in 7 positions. 47 members answered this question correctly. 17th question coming up on your screens now. Ram had 45,000 after giving 2/5 of his money to his eldest son and 1/3 of his money to the youngest son. How much money had Ram now? How much money had Ram now? Time is up. 90 members were only able to manage it within the time frame out of 120 participants. Third, fourth, seventh positions replaced. 35 members made their choice correctly. Let's quickly move on to the next question. Question number 18 on your screens now. What is 15% of 600? 600 rupees. There ends the time. 99 members made their choice within the time and no change in the 7 positions. 72 members made their choice correctly. Moving on further, question number 19 quickly coming up on your screens now. Ram takes a newspaper worth 50 paisa daily. How much money he will have to pay for the month of January? Time is up. 97 members managed it within the time frame. No change in the 7 positions. 81 members answered this question correctly. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 20 on your screens now. So there were 40 students in a class. 20% of students failed in an examination. How many students passed the examination? ends the time. 98 members made their choice within the time frame. No change in the 7 positions. 46 members answered it right. Moving on to the 21st question coming up on your screens. So find the greatest number formed by the digits 3014. So you have 50 questions today. Time is up. 99 members answered. Okay, looking into the leaderboard scores. No change in the 7 positions. 92 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. Upon your screens now. 8 men complete a work in 6 days. How many days 6 men will complete the same work? Very simple ratio problem which you need to solve. There ends the time. 95 members made their choice within the time frame. And looking into the leaderboard scores, if I could see, yes, fourth and 6th positions replaced. 46 members answered this question correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Find the cost of 1.5 meter cloth at the rate of rupees 52.20 per meter. Time is up. 94 members made their choice now. And the leaderboard scores. 7th position replaced. 58 members managed it right. So coming up on 24th question on your screens. In a well, water level was 18 meters below, right? And due to rains, water level increased by 3.5 meters. What is the water level in the well now? It's a tricky question. You need to remember how this water level is calculated. If you don't remember that, you will end up with the wrong answer. There ends the time. 93 members made their choice. And the leaderboard scores, no change. As I said, yes, the water level has always to be, subtracted. Otherwise, it's tricky. That's what I said. 17 members managed it right. So 25th question. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll explain it later. 10 books can be bought for rupees 30. So how many books can be bought for 45? 10 books can be bought for rupees 30? How many books can be bought for rupees 45? There ends the time. 97 members managed it within the time frame out of 122 participants. No change though in the 7 positions. 75 members did it right. Question number 26 coming up on your screens. A man sold a transistor for 450 rupees at a loss of 10%. Find the cost price of the transistor. Time is up. 95 members made their choice out of 122 participants, and the leaderboard scores. I could see 4, 5, 6 positions replaced. 30 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question, question number 27 on your screens. A car covers a 20 kilometer distance in 25 minutes. How much distance will it cover in 2 hours 30 minutes? Time is up. 93 members answered. Looking into the leaderboard scores. Yeah, third position is replaced. 46 members managed it correctly. Okay, let's quickly move on to the next question. Question number 28 coming up on your screens now. Okay, find a place value of 5 in 70,504. There ends the time. 96 members managed it within the time frame out of 123 participants. Third position is picked up with a new person there. 80 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question, 29th question coming up on your screens. So find the LCM of 30, 40 and 60. There ends the time. 92 members answered it. third position is replaced. 66 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 30 coming up on your screens now. So 200 students appeared in an examination. If 75% of students passed the examination, find the number of students who passed the examination. Time is up. 894 members answered, and the leaderboard scored no change in the 7th position. 63 members made their choice correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 31 coming up on your screens now. Ram's salary is 20% more than Mohan's. If Mohan's salary is 20,000, what is the salary of the Ram? There ends the time. 92 members managed it within the time frame. 5th, 6th, 7th positions replaced. 51 members answered to this question correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 32 coming up on your screens now. Find the greatest fraction in the given options. There ends the time. 93 members managed it within the time frame. Let's look into the leaderboard score. 4th position is picked up, and 57 members did it right. Moving on to the 33rd question. Okay, write the number which should come in the blank space. 2, 6, 5, 15, 14, 42, 41, and then what? Time is up. 90 members answered out of 123 participants. So I could see 5th and 7th positions replaced. 73 members managed it correctly. So let's check this next question. 34th question coming up on your screens now. So what is the, you just have to simplify. There are a few questions asked, additions, but it's not the right answer. There is some kind of secret behind that equations. You need to identify that, how they concluded 8 plus 5 is equals to 17. In that way, what happens when you add 10 and 7, that should be the answer. There ends the time. 90 members managed it within the time frame, and the leaderboard scores, no change. 67 members did it right. Let's quickly move on to the next question. Okay, the ratio between men and women working in a garden is 3:2. If the total number of men and women is 165, find the number of men working in the garden. There ends the time. 92 members answered it. No change though. 46 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. So we have a house was rented for 3,600 per month. Find the new rent of the house after an increase of 8% in the rent. Okay, 56 positions replaced, but I see there is a mistake here. Right, if you increase it with 8%, it should be actually 3,000 per month, I guess. So it's a mistake. There is a mistake in the question, and I'm so sorry about that. We shall move on to the next question. 37th. Find the value of 3.5 into 0.01. There ends the time. 90 members answered it, and I'm sure that I need to go check my eyesight. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th positions replaced. 61 members managed it correctly. So I'm really sorry that the previous question was definitely wrong. Yes, it was wrong. Yes. So Dhoni scored 65 runs in the first innings and 75 runs in the second innings of a match. Find his average score. I was supposed to type 3,000 rupees rent, and I ended up typing 3,600. It was totally my bad, and I'm sure I have a problem with my eyesight. I need to go check. There ends the time. 87 members managed it now. And the leaderboard scores, no change. 61 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. 39th question. Find a simple interest for rupees 400 for 3 years at 5% per annum. There ends the time. 89 members made their choice. 57 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the 40th question. Coming up on your screens now. Find the value of 2 by 3 multiplies 1.5 plus 1 by 3 multiplies 1.5. There ends the time. 82 members only answered to this question here. 5th, 6th, 7th positions replaced. 52 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 41. Coming up on your screens now. Simplify 2 by 3 multiplies 120 minus 1 by 3 multiplies 240. There ends the time. 89 members again answered it out of 127 participants. 58 members answered to this question correctly. Moving on to the 42nd question. Coming up on your screens now. 50% of 5,000. Time is up. 86 members managed it within the time now to this question, and 4th and 6th positions replaced. 76 members answered to this question correctly. Question number 43 coming up on your screens now. Ram pays 0.50 per milk packet for the delivery boy. Find his bill for February 2020. There ends the time. 86 members managed it within the time now to this question. Fourth and fifth positions replaced. 43 members managed it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 44 on your screens now. What least number should be added to 89 to make it a perfect square? Time is up. 88 members made their choice now. And seventh position replaced. 61 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 45 coming up on your screens now. Ram spends 50% of his total earnings. If he spends 2,000, find his total earnings. There ends the time. 86 members managed it within the time. And let's look into the leaderboard scores. No change. I could find 47 members managed it correctly. Let's move on to the 46th question up on your screens. The ratio between water and alcohol in a mixture is 2:3. If the water content is 4 liters, how much is the alcohol in the mixture? Time is up. 82 members answered it now. Looking into the leaderboard scores, no change of 7 positions. 56 members answered it right. So 47th question coming up on your screens now. Rekha had 25,000. She spent 1/5 of her money on clothes. How much money had she now? There ends the time. 83 members managed it within the time frame. No change in the leaderboard score, so all the 7 positions stick to their places. 42 members managed it correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 48 up on your screens now. 5 laborers complete a work in 12 days. In how many days 10 laborers will complete the same work? Ratio problem again. There ends the time. 84 members managed it now. Third position is picked up with a new person. 58 members answered this question correctly. So slight change will change the positions there. 49th question on your screens. Find the HCF of 36 and 40. Time is up. 85 members answered it. And the leaderboard scores. Let's not look into that. 49 members answered it correctly. Let's move on to the last question of the day. Coming up on your screens now. So write the number which should come in the blank space. The series given 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, and then what? Time is up. And the leaderboard scores. No need. 70 members managed it right. Let's check the final scores and the results today. Soumya is on third position, Partha on second position, Jishnu on the first position. So congratulations. And so we have Sai Sanjay on the fourth, followed by Shishir Gilla, right? Ivy Satvik, Kranti Kumar, Naveen, Kalyan Kumar, Gagana Sai Sri, Ravi Kumar, Nihal, Abhiram, Siddhartha, Shravan, Krishnacharan, Sureka, Dhoni, Tejasvi, Chaitanya, Lakshya, Tabassum, Ishwar Ankit, Ashutosh, Kavya, Sri Vaishnavi, Kartika, Nikhil, Deepak, Srinivas, Vinay, Monste, I don't know who's that. Okay, Apurva, Kirtana, Sita, Manoj Kumar, Aditya, Maunika, Harsha, Lakshmi Nivas, C.H. Charita, M.S. Dhoni fan, Arvinda, Tagore, M. Deepti, Mokshita, Anirudh, Srujita, Yasmin Sheikh, and Rushika. So I could see 49 members upon the front page of this report. So I really appreciate time and effort of each and every participant. So if you are coming, if you are playing, and if you are scoring, your rank, if it is below 50, then I will be able to read it. And here it's asking me, were there any errors in the quiz? Yes, we find one error. And it's the rent question. Yes, this one. And I submit it. Error reported. All superheroes don't wear caps. Okay. So if you have any questions or any doubts, or if you need any explanations, you please send a message to me on my WhatsApp number 8897384856. And once again, I ask you to please leave your feedback after we close this live stream. Please leave your feedback upon this particular video in the comment section below. take 2 or 3 minutes of your time and mention your comments there. Someone congratulating the top 3 people out there. That was very good competition today. It was lovely. Many tried, but once it has come to the last, these 7 members stick to their places. And in the last question, 2 members managed it. Soumya was not in the 3rd position, but she moved very good. I request these top 3 members to please message me on my WhatsApp 8897384856 so that I can contact them at the time of prize distribution. As I promised, I'll be awarding the top 3 positions of every quiz starting from Ugadi. Okay. Someone mentioned here, but I was in a hurry and I selected some mistakes. It happens. So someone is asking, where are you from, Jishnu? Jishnu is from Khammam town, right? So okay. I request you to please hold your comments, and I request them to please post them in the comment box, not in the live chat. Okay. Right. And you can contact me. Everybody makes mistakes. Okay then, good night everyone. So please save your comments and do it in the comment section. What is the price? That's a very lovely question. I'm still thinking. If you have any suggestion, please WhatsApp to me. What should be given as a prize? And I'm not a rich guy to give you a lot of prizes out there, but definitely that should be interesting and useful, right? So that's all for tonight. Good night, and suggestions are always welcome. Good night.